Let me take you on a journey if you're in the Alabang side and where to eat. Right now, we're featuring Red House Taiwanese Shabu Shabu in Festival Mall, Alabang. And I wanted to show you the place and also what to expect in this area. So, welcome. This is in Festival Mall. But remember that Festival Mall is a very big place and area. So you gotta ways where the Red House Shabu Shabu is located because the festival mall is quite big and you gotta know where to go. And then they also have these free krope crackers that you can use and eat while you're at it. No? And then the sauce. Wow, I made some really good sauce while I was at it and really no regrets. I really enjoyed how I made this sauce. No? So napakasarap niya and delicious. And the best thing about it is that it is free to make this sauce. And wag natin basta-bastahin lang yon because it's not every day na libre yung sauce na nakikita natin. So this is what we ordered for three people. Meron na tayong beef, balls, and meat. Oh, same lang yung meat and balls. So, gulay naman. No, so right now we are putting in some of the fish balls as well as the lobster balls. And then hinihintay natin na mag-boil yung tubig. And then if you notice may mga nagfo-float na mga vegetables, those are free. You can get it in the sauce section. Yan yung nilalagay na ngayon. I think those are kuchay or kinchay or something. Basta libre siya. There is a counter where you can find those free things. And then this one naman is the taupe and it is really good. It's like a flat version of tofu. So that is a really nice taste to it, no? And then these are the enoki mushrooms. I don't really like enoki mushrooms, but for some reason they are very expensive. So if you ever find them in shabu shabu and then fixed yung amount ng shabu shabu, I recommend that you eat the enoki mushrooms if you love mushrooms because they are quite expensive if you have to buy them sa supermarket and mall out, no. So take note to eat a lot of the enoki mushrooms if you get the chance. And then there you have it. We're drinking some soup right now. The soup is just a clear type of soup, so it's very refreshing to the tummy, no? And take note that the soup is refillable and you can refill as much soup as you want. Pero alam nyo ba, meron akong a little story time sa inyo guys, no? Alam nyo ba, meron akong nakita na nagdala ng sarili niyang balls sa shabu-shabu place na 'to. So, 'wag naman tayong gano'n 'no, siyempre kailangan din kumita ng mga tao. So, make sure lang medyo ethical pa rin tayo na although free ang soup, sige go ahead, drink as much soup as needed, as wanted 'no, pero 'wag naman yung magdadala pa tayo ng sariling pagkain doon sa shabu-shabu restaurant, right? And then there you have it, eating the very popular and famous tau pui, which is I think tofu skin, no? So it is quite good and delicious, and I really enjoyed the taupe. And this one naman is the, I think, pepper balls. Oh yeah, the pepper balls are my favorite balls in this place because they are very good and very tasty. And then we have the meat. Nako, usually guys, I have this thing about the meat, no? Na ang ginagawa ko usually is minimake sure ko na tinatanggal ko yung mga taba sa meat. Pero in this case, because hindi unlimited tong shabu-shabu, syempre tipid-tipid din tayo. Ang ginawa ko is kinain ko na yung taba with the meat. No, so whether lang din yan kung saan natin tinetake chance na libre yung meat and kailan hindi, tsaka tayo magdidiskarte na tatanggalin ba yung taba or hindi, 'di ba? So My favorite shabu-shabu place, hands down, Tiangnan pa rin. But, we're here in Red House. Let's enjoy this here. By the way, my free food sila dito. This one is free na coffee jelly or may option ka din na free ice cream. So, those are the perks. If you've gone all the way to this section of the video, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.